Da kajing temu ban kintiu ye kajing le aka chess bat ban se shushu i kisap jing le aka jungi kena bat ki Samla ribhoi ka ribhoi District Chess Association RBDCA aka khatnyau trik naitung kala penlong ye ka Open Chess Tournament ribhoi College Nongpoh ka bala kring ye ki spangut kinai le aka na keleng ki benta jong ka district ban ye shimenta. Hakini ke Lumpung lawan bansa Khilong do ba Matthew Makdoh nominated MDC ke Nongpoh kumukong san rengkat bat uba KW Wajri President ke Meghalaya Chess Association Dr. Sima Sungo Treasurer ke Indo Games and Sports Association bat uba Frankie Nongrum President ke Ribhoi District Chess Association. Ban penti kena bekajingi le akai kan long ke bayat be yai renti kat kum ki kendon jingi le akai chess le penyat ya ka do Biju Singh International Arbiter rengkat bo Amar Bandari National Arbiter lembat ke jingi rap jung ki volunteer ba pher. Ha ke jingi kop jung ki shinrang u Khraw Makdoh ulara ekanam Lahduh bot se u Yochwa Gilbert Goshna ke kedan baar bat u Nevelin Lingdo ha ke kedan balai. Hakaliang ki kenthepan ka Tanvi Bhatia kalayo ekanam Lahduh katba ka amenchi dina sangma bat ka dap kerhai kharkrang kilawan ha kedan baar bat balai. Nalor kata la airu ka kusnam kerpang shikinang shimeta ki bedang retam kata ka dafi banbet suciang bat umat ajaria matlai katba u Arnold Mokshaw layo ekanam kum unong shimenta ubarang batam. Hakajuk Khubor ke Ribhoi District Chess Association kalapan pau ke jing ang not ban pen klanye ke jing lek kai chess Meghalaya bat ban betin linti ki khun Samla ki beron sap kenang bikin la ban kiu ki kerdan ki pakham shalor wat haduk ke kerdan Grand Master namar haduk menta ke jela Meghalaya kampat la ban seyo no nong lek kai chess ubopoi syakatai ke kerdan.
Every one of you knows it is a brain game. But our strong has already spoken about that, even the president. Suppose your brain is very good and very strong. You sit here for 1-2 hours and play the game, but physically you are very weak. What will happen? Your brain is still walking very fine, but your body will not allow. So you lose the game. So kindly, it is not that only your brain should go. Even you have to be very fit if you want to do this. And by seeing these young kids here, really intelligent. Recently only, day before yesterday, came from Jharkhand and then to Bhatia. So the players there, 7 years old, 6 years old, and the way they are playing, even the seniors are scared of them. Yeah, we lack very much here. We don't have any good coach, this and that in Meghalaya, but slowly we try to do that. And very soon, we want that grandmaster should come here and give a coaching. But we have to look for a grandmaster who will be in the level of the kids also and for the seniors also. Like last time we had chess in school, but now FIDE, that is the world body of chess, they will be doing this chess in school. In the chess in school, we mean that you take teachers also in confidence. That after school, no doubt the grandmaster and all the senior players in the association, they will help them out. But the main will be teachers, because we will be coaching the teachers also. Suppose in interior villages, so to say in Khubor, there are many different interior villages, like Lahduh, this and that, everywhere now. So there every now and then we cannot go, and the grandmaster also will be having difficulties due to the rough terrain of the state also. So there if we train the teachers, they will be paid. It is not that after finishing the training, they will be paid. And after school, they can take one extra class for the students, those who are willing. They don't have to pay anything. It will be totally free. Even if the grandmaster comes, it is our duty to pay. So, not even a single fee will be there for the students. And nowadays, as chess has gone so much, it has advanced so much, that yeah, I know very well that many of the students and young generation, they are always involved in mobile phones. So if you really concentrate about chess only, mobile phone are the best. You can have your game with the grandmaster also. There are apps there. Directly you play with the grandmaster also. So if you use it properly, even mobile phones are not bad. Unnecessary, so everyone knows about it. So we are very lucky here in Khubor. We have these members, and the president is taking so much care to bring up Khubor.
Di kapti sa isipa, jom kini kejikun. Ay kini kapti. Sa isipa. Ay kini kapti sa isipa. Let's give a round of applause. Ini naman ba ay akan kejiyukun chess tournament. Ay,
Passionate.
Let's participate.